Hey, Rob.
Hi, Sue. And we've got Kula and Ziggy here.
Celebrating first day of summer.
Yeah, so it's not the dog days of summer, it's the dog's day of summer.
Oh, there
right?
you go.
See? Here we go. So, a few things coming up
Yeah.
this week. On... Are you finished eating, Coach? On Tuesday, we are back out at Hardwood again. We had a great clinic last week with Marla Bailey, working on some hills training. And so this week it's just going to be the more informal running group getting together at 6 o'clock. A couple of people had some suggestions last week, which I thought were good. One is that if you are coming out and you get there a little bit late, just look for a note on the start sign.
So you know what trail people
yeah,
are?
so then we can let people know what trail we're on, and then you can catch up. So that's Tuesday at Hardwood, and then moving into the long weekend, there's a couple of schedule changes.
Yeah, so Hillary's going to be teaching on Friday. She's going to be doing 2 gentle stretch classes, one at 9 and one again at 10:30, and then one of her signature flow classes at noon. Yeah.
Nice.
And then that long weekend, all of the classes on Saturday will be the same.
Right.
Rebecca will be teaching at 8:30 and again at 9:30.
Bye, Kula.
And then I'll be teaching my regular class Sunday, which is an 8:30 flow, a 9:30 therapeutic, and then an 11 o'clock therapeutic class. And then the holiday Monday, Canada Day, I'll be teaching an 8:30 flow class and then therapeutic at 9:30. So sort of like a mini version of a regular Sunday class. Is that exhausting, Sis?
It's a lot going on, isn't it?
And then the big charity event that we're going to be doing, fundraising event for helping to restore our Aqua Theatre.
Just down the road a bit, stone's throw from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we thought we would do is have a fun class that will be by donation only. And 3 of the teachers here are going to be working together.
Nice.
So at 4:30 I'm going to do like a myofascial release using the therapy balls, and then Hillary will do an intro to flow from 5 to 5:30, and then Rebecca will do a gentle stretch from 5:30 to 6. So super accessible class. You'll get half an hour of each of us, and pay what you can, and all of the proceeds will be going to help the funds to restore the Aqua Theatre, which is such a iconic piece of architecture for Orillia.
It's a great spot. Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be July 4th.
July 4th, Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll be making an event page on Facebook, so you can
Stay
get more
tuned for
details there.
Great. All right. Well, should we continue with the Dog's Day of Summer?
Absolutely.
And relax like Ziggy.
Absolutely. Yeah. Have a great week.
Bye for now.